Ready for some great fries?
I am.
All right, they're oil-free, full of flavor.
Can't wait.
All right, okay, so we have just a regular plate here, and I'm going to line it with just a kitchen towel.
Right.
And we're going to be using just a regular old russet potato.
Sure.
What I've done is just cut them up into fry shapes,
Right.
whatever you want to do, doesn't really matter.
Right.
And they've been submerged in water for about an hour, but you could, like, even overnight, you could leave these things.
Sure.
Just make sure they're in the fridge. So now we're going to take a lot of the water off of these. And there's a lot of starch in here, okay? So we're just going to take off as much water as possible. They don't need to be bone dry by any means.
Well, shouldn't the water kind of help the spices stick?
You took the words right out of my
maybe I
mouth. Sort of dry potato.
Dry-ish.
Dry-ish. And then if you'll please grab, I'm going to switch with you. We're going to take this back here. And then we have a bowl here. And I'm just going to transfer all of these. And if you'll grab that plate, please, thanks. All of those raw fries back there. And then this is just a seasoning. I mean, I literally just opened up the spice drawer and just started adding. So we have some cumin, smoked paprika, onion, garlic, just a pinch of salt, and some black pepper.
Yeah,
but again, anything you want to use is fine.
And you could even not even put seasoning on.
No, you don't need to at all. Yeah. So get those nice and coated and toss, toss, toss. And if you will please open up our air fryer, that is how we're going to cook these suckers. Okay. Oh, yeah. I know. They even look like they would maybe.
You know why they look like French fries? Because they
are
are French fries. Right.
But they almost look like they just would come out of
Like a deep fat fry.
the fryer. Yeah.
Except they're not glistening with all that nastiness.
Right. Yeah. Right. All ready to our fries. Cheers.
Perfect.
So good.
Perfect.
They are. They're nice and crunchy and soft on the inside. Ah! So good.